A new and mysterious pre-booking has quietly appeared for an upcoming product from DJI, and it has quickly started getting attention from tech enthusiasts and creators. The interesting part is that the product name is not mentioned anywhere in the listing. Instead, customers are being offered what the dealer calls a blind order. Even without the official name, most signs strongly suggest that this product is the much-anticipated DJI Pocket 4. The pre-booking was opened by an authorized Chinese dealership, which makes the situation more credible. Customers who want to reserve the device can place a small deposit of 99 yuan, which is roughly about $14. This deposit secures a spot for the product before it officially launches. According to the dealership, the deposit will later be deducted from the final price once the product becomes available. If a customer changes their mind, the deposit can also be refunded, which makes the pre-booking relatively risk-free. Although the product name is not listed, the timing and the clues point very clearly toward the DJI Pocket 4. The dealership has hinted that the launch will happen sometime in April. Normally, authorized retailers only open pre-orders when they have confirmation about upcoming stock shipments. Because of that, this pre-booking strongly suggests that the product is already very close to release rather than being months away. Another interesting detail comes from accessory manufacturers. Several companies that make camera accessories have reportedly started reaching out to content creators about new accessories designed specifically for the Pocket 4. These accessories include protective cases, lens filters, and mounting equipment. Typically, accessory makers begin producing these items weeks before a new device launches. The fact that they are already promoting Pocket 4 accessories suggests that the launch timeline has likely been confirmed internally within the industry. There are also reports that retail units of the device have already appeared inside some stores. These are not early prototypes but fully packaged retail boxes, which usually means the product has already entered mass production. Some sightings even mention a creator combo version of the device, which is a special bundle aimed at vloggers and content creators who want additional accessories included in the box. One retailer, known as Drone Tech, has hinted that April 20th could be the possible launch date. While this date is not officially confirmed, retailers generally do not share specific launch windows unless they have reliable information from suppliers. When you combine this with the dealer pre-orders, accessory manufacturer activity, and retail sightings, it paints a very clear picture that the launch is likely very close. Looking at the expected specifications, the DJI Pocket 4 could bring some noticeable improvements over the previous model, the DJI Pocket 3. One rumor suggests that the camera will continue using a large 1-inch sensor, which is already known for delivering strong image quality in a compact device. However, the megapixel count could increase significantly, jumping from around 9.4 megapixels on the Pocket 3 to roughly 50 megapixels on the new model. If that rumor turns out to be accurate, the higher resolution sensor may allow the camera to support 6K video recording. Some leaks even suggest that the camera could capture 6K video at 60 frames per second. That would be a big improvement compared to the 4K recording available on the previous model. Stabilization is also expected to improve. The Pocket series is already known for its smooth footage thanks to its mechanical gimbal. The new model could upgrade from a traditional 3-axis gimbal to a hybrid 4-axis stabilization system. This change could help reduce vertical bouncing when walking, which is often called Z-axis movement. If implemented well, this upgrade could produce some of the smoothest handheld footage DJI has ever achieved. Software features may also see improvements. DJI's subject tracking system, called DJI Active Track, is rumored to move from version 6.0 to 7.0. The new version could improve how the camera predicts movement and keeps subjects in frame, even when objects briefly block the view. In terms of design, the Pocket 4 will likely stay compact and easy to carry. However, small ergonomic changes are expected. Reports suggest the grip could be slightly longer for better comfort, along with a new zoom button placed naturally under the thumb. There may also be a customizable C button that allows users to quickly access preferred settings. Overall, the growing number of clues, from dealer deposits and accessory production to retail sightings, strongly suggests that the DJI Pocket 4 is about to launch very soon. If these leaks are accurate, the official announcement could happen within the next few weeks. Let's talk about the real headline grabber, the DJI Leto X1. This is the drone that's already being called the DJI Mini 5 Pro Killer. DJI upcoming Leto X1 will be DJI Mini 5 Pro Killer. Yes, that's exactly how it feels right now. DJI is rumored to introduce another compact drone in the sub-249 gram category, and this one is creating serious buzz. The name expected for this new model is DJI Leto X1. From early leaks and reports, it looks like DJI is preparing something powerful yet affordable for beginners and travel creators. The Leto X1 could replace the well-known Mini 4K and might even act as the true successor to the Mini SE series. That alone makes it important because both of those drones were extremely popular among entry-level users. Now, DJI seems ready to refresh that segment with better hardware and smarter features. Its existence is no longer just a rumor. The FCC listing has already confirmed the drone, which means development is real and the launch could happen soon. Leaker Igor Bogdanov first shared an image of the Leto X1 propellers and later revealed FCC documents pointing toward key specifications. The leaked propeller arm design looks very compact, suggesting that DJI is focusing heavily on portability. It looks small, clean, and travel-ready. The drone will weigh under 249 grams. This is a big deal in the United States because drones under this weight do not require FAA registration for recreational flying. That makes it extremely attractive for beginners who want to start flying without dealing with paperwork. It also makes the Leto X1 perfect for travelers, vloggers, and casual creators who want something light and easy to carry in a backpack. Some reports suggest that the Leto series might actually be a rebranded version of the Sky Rover drone that was released a few months ago. If that turns out to be true, DJI may have refined and optimized that platform under its own branding. That could mean proven hardware with DJI's trusted software experience. Now, let's talk about the camera because this is where things get interesting. The Leto X1 is rumored to feature a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. For a drone in this size and price category, that is impressive. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper image quality. On top of that, video recording is expected to reach up to 4K at 120 frames per second. That means smooth, slow-motion footage in full 4K resolution, something usually reserved for higher-end drones. Obstacle sensing is also rumored to be included. However, due to its expected price range, it will most likely feature only downward obstacle sensing. That still helps during landing and low-altitude flights, especially for beginners who are still building confidence. It may not have full omnidirectional sensors like premium models, but it should provide basic safety support. The FCC input details mention charging support at 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts up to 3 amps maximum. These numbers suggest that fast charging could be supported. While the charging speed might not be ultra-fast, it should be efficient enough for quick battery top-ups between flights. That's practical for travel and outdoor shooting days. The expected price is around $350. This places the Leto X1 right between the Neo 2 and the Mini 5 Pro. At this price point, it becomes a very strong competitor. It offers advanced camera specs, lightweight design, and beginner-friendly features without reaching premium pricing. That's exactly why many people are calling it a Mini 5 Pro alternative. The DJI Leto X1 appears designed for new pilots who want strong performance without spending too much. It could be the perfect training drone before upgrading to higher-end models. If these rumors turn out to be accurate, DJI might once again dominate the entry-level drone market. Now the big question is, will it truly live up to the hype?